how can a film festival help commit genocide?
The Kathmandu International Mountain Film Festival is featuring 6 Chinese propaganda films on Tibet that they're calling the Xizang panorama.
What makes them propaganda? Here's 2 reasons. First, the Chinese government is trying to erase the word Tibet around the world and replace it with their colonial Mandarin term, Xizang. This term is horrible and dangerous because it is a colonial imposition that is forcibly supplanting a historically accepted exonym.
Second, the film in question promote narratives like the CCP liberated Tibet and freed Tibetan savages from serfdom.
Every colonizer in the history of the world has used the same justification. The colonizer is credited with bringing peace, civilization, modernity to a crazed, savage, backwards people.
Sound familiar? Different empire, same rhetoric of colonial saviorism.
The CCP has killed over 1.2 million Tibetans since the People's Liberation Army invaded an independent and sovereign Tibet in 1950. And now the Kathmandu International Mountain Film Festival wants to erase those lives and Tibet completely off the map.
For a film festival that claims to champion, quote, issues ranging from the political determination of mountain communities to the emergence of identity politics and adventure sports, all the way to the effects of climate change on mountainous regions, supporting the genocidal erasure of Tibet seems to run aground of those values.
The so-called Xizang panorama screenings start tomorrow in Nepal, so we need everybody right now to go on KIMFF's Instagram to the pinned post and comment "Cancel China's propaganda, #Tibet not Xizang."